How to access ChatGPT 5.6. ChatGPT 5.6 is available for free through OpenAI's official platforms. Here's how to access it safely and maximize your usage. So first and foremost, sign up for a ChatGPT account. Start by opening a free OpenAI account at chat.openai.com or through the ChatGPT app on iOS or Android. Now, from here, go ahead and access your free account. Free accounts automatically default to the latest model, ChatGPT 5.6. So from here, you can go ahead and enter your command. So for example, you want ChatGPT to write or edit. You'll simply need to click on that and then click on the command that you want to use. And then hit on enter once you have your prompt. And ChatGPT will then respond in a way that ChatGPT 5.6 does. You can also access this on mobile. Download the ChatGPT app from iOS or Android. Sign in to access ChatGPT 5.6 features, including text, voice, and image generation. Free tier includes text Q&A, summaries, creative writing, limited image generation, and voice mode for read aloud responses. Free accounts have daily caps, unlimited queries, faster responses, and priority access require ChatGPT Plus at $20 per month. ChatGPT 5.6 free is perfect for casual use. Upgrade only if you need unlimited queries or advanced features.